How to create 3D art in Leonardo AI. So hello guys, if you want to create 3D art in Leonardo AI, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. Before starting, you need to get help from ChatGPT to make best 3D art using Leonardo AI. So let's go to ChatGPT app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it. Now click on ChatGPT. Here you guys will see that type of interface. So we will simply tell ChatGPT that you want to make 3D art using Leonardo AI. After that, you will give your idea of that 3D art like details. And once you do that, tell ChatGPT that write the best prompts for me. So after that, ChatGPT will write you best prompts. So simply copy one of them, and once we copy of them, one of them, we will simply go to Leonardo AI. So simply click on Leonardo AI. Here you guys will see generate library more home. Simply click on generate. Now here you simply click on that option. Here you guys will see like GPT, image, nanoban and other things. But for 3D art, we will simply scroll. Once we scroll here, you guys will see life like a vision. So simply select that. After that, click on the right one. Here you guys will simply select 3D render. After that, paste your that prompt, and once you paste that, simply click on that arrow, and once you do that, your 3D art will be generated using Leonardo AI. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.